Hello everyone, welcome to this introduction course for Python for everybody. In this course, with the help of these slides, I'm going to introduce you what is a Python programming language, how are the things get involved into this Python and we can make changes to the world of technology, why program, what are the useful methods for solving a program, what are the things that we can do with these programming language and into the real world. Computers want to be helpful. Computers are built for one purpose, to do things for us, but we need to speak their language to describe what we want to be done. Users have it easy. Somebody already put many different programs instructions into the computer, and users just pick the ones that they want to use. Suppose if we want to use spreadsheet for our documentation, there are many applications that provide us an interface for opening that spreadsheets, so we more often use Microsoft Office for opening spreadsheets. So we are the users have it easy. Someone already with their language, with their ideas, put many different programs or instructions into the computer, and users as we just pick the ones that we want to use. Programmers anticipates needs, which means they know what are the real needs for the users, because they are the user and they are also the programmer. Suppose for example, iPhone applications are a market where iPhone applications have a billion or 3 billion downloads. Programmers have left their jobs to be full-time iPhone developers. Programmers know the way of programming language. So what is the difference between users versus programmers? Users see computers as a set of tools, word processor, spreadsheet, maps, to-do list, etc. Programmers learn the computer ways and the computer language. Programmers have some tools that allow them to build new tools. Programmers sometimes write tools for lots of users, and sometimes programmers write little helpers for themselves to automate a task. So why be a programmer? So being a programmer, it comes with many difficulties, many learning approaches, but why be a programmer? To get some task done, we are the user and the programmer. Clean up survey data to produce something for others to use, a programming job. Fix a performance problem in the Sakai software. Add a guest book to the website. Computer, hardware plus software, which is a programmer, data, information, and networks. From a software creator's point of view, we build the software. The end users are our masters who we want to please. Often they pay us money when they are pleased, but the data, information, and networks are our problem to solve on their behalf. The hardware and software are our friends and the allies in this quest. What is a code? Software, a program? It is basically a sequence of stored instructions, which is a little piece of our intelligence in the computer. We figure something out and then we encode it and then give it to someone else to save them the time and their energy of figuring it out. A piece of creative art, particularly when we do a good job of user experience. There are many programs written for humans where you can do many more tweaks. You can say left hand up and right and many more things like for the users. So this was the introduction that what is program, how are the codes are going to be helpful for our life, real life, and in the upcoming lessons we'll deep dive into the Python for everybody course where you will learn more about the real life scenarios and the programming itself, the Python. So this was the introduction. Thank you for your time. Have a nice day. Do subscribe.